good morning. We are leaving Brush Creek. It's about 8:30, a little before 8:30. About an 8.5 mile day, maybe something like that. We're not exactly sure, but the weather is good. It wasn't very cold at all last night, so we camped probably in a place we weren't supposed to, just down from the trailhead. It says on the sign up there, no camping at the trailhead, so we weren't technically at the trailhead, but pretty close to it. And we made do there. There just aren't a whole lot of campsites, or any campsites for that matter. And then when you try to stealth camp, it's hard to find places. So this is a challenging section of trail just to find a campsite sometimes. If you're hammocking, you might be better off doing that, but it still would be challenging even for a hammocker. So we're about to drop down into a creek area and then make our way that way. Can't see. Make our way that way south. So slept pretty good. We were all pretty tired. 14 miles is a good stretch. The rocks on the trail really did a number on our feet. Everybody's feet were sore, kind of raw, but no ankle problems. Rick's knee is hurting a little bit, but seems to be okay. What is that? Is that oh wow, there's a hammock camper. Look over here, right over there. Hey, shh. It's a hammock camper. Yeah, someone over there in the hammock. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Yeah. So, yeah, I think hammocks are the way to go. Alright, now we have some rolling hills we got to go through, and we're in probably, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a mile, but sun's starting to make its way up and over. So we are moving along this morning. Really cool down here, but there's literally nowhere to camp. I mean, just look at all the no level ground, and there's thick brush everywhere. It's kind of a shame. All right, I'll check back with you guys later. Now here we are in a drainage. We just came off the ridge line, did some road walking. Now we're in this really cool drainage, and there is the blazes that say go up. So we might be making our climb up to Crippled Turkey. Everyone keeps saying triple. It's Crippled Turkey. Really cool features down here. Drainage is dry, at least in this part, probably under the water's underground.
Looks like it.
Do what?
Let me get some nuts in my mouth so I climb that hill.
I got the camera rolling, man. People just heard that. Maybe they didn't with this microphone situation, but yes, you did. And you didn't hesitate saying it either, so.
It wasn't really clear.
Well, given the context, it is clear. So, that's funny. Okay, here we are on the not so yellow brick road. It is nasty, mucky. It's been like this for a little while. Looks like it gets a little better down here, but this is, yeah, it's almost like a horse trail, but it's pretty yucky. All right, that's the worst of it, I guess, and it's starting to, yeah. All right, back to a normal trail here. So we're about to make our climb up to Crippled Turkey, and I think it's going to be somewhere up in that area. We'll see. Some really nice hollows down here, but the camping sites, I mean, I've been keeping my eyes peeled for potential camping sites, and it's just, they are few and far between. If you come out here, definitely bring a hammock system, because you'll have more opportunities to find places. If you're in a tent, it's going to be really tough, and you're not going to get a level sight. So, note to the wise: get your hammocks out if you come here. The other thing is, the second half of this hike, yesterday we made it all the way to Brush Creek, and right after we made the big climb past Twin Creek, the views and the scenery of this place got a lot better. The first, I don't know, 8-9 miles, there was a little here and there, but it wasn't that pretty. And then this second part from Brush Creek to Crippled Turkey is much prettier. So I was glad to see that. Now we'll see what Crippled Turkey to Moccasin Springs looks like. I don't anticipate it being super pretty, but I think it'll be okay. So, but here you got all these little bluff lines in there. Again, I know the camera can't pick them up for you, but they're in there. You know, it's kind of nice. All right, trail right here. It's got washed out a little bit. Well, it actually has it going up that way. Yeah, here it is. Right here. Okay. Anyway, looks like we are about to start our climb, so we're gonna get up there and have lunch. All right, where are my blazes? Oh, hey Rick, it says mile 22 here. It's got to be for those trail runners.
It's all over the place.
Yeah, it's all over the place. It's got to be for the trail runners. And here are the white blazes here. Now look at this though. This one says 14, and it's on a OHT white blaze.
Who knows, man?
Yeah. All right. I think this is.
Piece of paper, so that's definitely probably from the run.
Yeah. Well, this right here is on the blaze, so that's got some. 14 miles from where? It can't be from Matney Knob.
No.
Well, on those blazes is where we saw the 28. Remember? After we saw 28, and then we saw one for 20.
But they were out of order though. Some of them were.
They were counting down. They missed a few.
Okay, okay. All right, I think this is where our climb begins. I just came up from there, walked past that field. Now I'm at the Crippled Turkey trailhead. You see other people here. There's also the, North Sylamore Creek Trail. So right here. So you see the sign for that. You see the blue blazes there. And I think all the way down to Allison, it's a 22.5-mile hike. Now, my big question is, where is our OHT? I think we actually have to, we have to walk along the road here. Yeah, we do. So here comes Tammy, and we're gonna do some more road walking up that way, and then we'll drop down into another creek. I'm gonna take the map out here and look just a second. Some more of the trail running thing from this weekend. Well, it wasn't awful. It could have been a lot worse. Now this is the North Sylamore Creek trailhead, and that trail goes off down that way.
Oh, so we're not.
The OHT is some more road walking,
Oh, yay.
you know? So I'm gonna sit up here. Let's sit up here and break out the map. I wanna see how things look in the shade here. Oh, there's some nice wind. Getting some shade. They made us walk beside the road for a little while and then we cross it, so
Yeah.
great.
Feel better than
Yes, I agree.
True. Look at this. 22 shell casing. Right here. How'd it go?
Here I am.
Yeah. Wait on Rick. That was a decent little uphill. Wasn't bad, but
It could have been worse.
it always could be worse. At least we're not road walking anymore. I didn't see a road on the map from here to there.
What's this?
Oh, that's a road. It looked like a trail from back there, so yeah, I blame it on my watering eyes, not being able to distinguish. Yeah, exactly. There's my explanation, right? Can't tell the difference between a trail and a road. Well, I saw this road. I thought, okay, that's a road, so this has to be a trail. But it's also a road. Oh well. Okay, coming to the next creek, past the Caps Fork Creek, and it's dry, but we just came down the road. Looks like we're going to be going to the right. There's the turn blazes, but clearly this is used as part of the road over here. But there's some water, little pockets of water, but not much. Yeah, there's some little pockets of water, but there's not much water. You know, and we've had some decent rain in the last week, but I guess not enough. Let's see what's up here. Oh, here's another campsite, and guess what? It's right by a road. Surprise, surprise. Well, hang on, maybe not, sorry. And that's not a fire ring. I thought it was a fire ring. It looked like one, but it's not. But, I mean, you could camp there. Maybe I wonder if it used to be, and they just filled it up.
It almost looks like it's a pile of rocks to indicate the turn.
Possibly. But, I mean, you got a water source there. You got flat ground here.
Yep.
It could work for sure. All right, hikers this way.
People paradise here. Yeah,
I know, this is cool.
That intersection trail back there goes to it.
Yeah, it does. Look how big that pool area is. That's neat. That's quite the, is that technically a cascade, I guess? You can get your air pad out and start right there and just go all the way down. That'd be quite the ride. Your butt might get a little beat up, but that's cool, man. I don't want to get too close to this though. I'm not sure how stable this is, but yeah, that's worth seeing today. Yeah, I want to go down here and take a look at this. It's not a cave, it's just a rock bluff line by the creek. Yeah, this is neat. There's too much glare on the video. I think it's Moccasin Creek. I mean, that's the trailhead we're headed for. So I think this is it. Well, yeah. You know how it got its name. Well, the camera doesn't do it justice, but really nice bluff.
Not worried that a vulture is circling there?
Really nice bluff lines through here. Really pretty stuff. The board on here says 22.5 miles to Matney Knob. Is the board lying? I don't know. I mean, what? Maybe there's a lot of extra GPS steps we're taking that we're not counting for, you know? I mean, that's the only other thing I could think of.
We didn't go off trail much though.
I know. We didn't.